Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Forcestop on the application of Hacoo app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will scrolling down until you find this application of Hacoo app. Here in this page of app info you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.